So in this question, we're trying to figure out the measure of each unknown angle. What shape do you notice is in this diagram? Okay, there is a four-sided shape right here, right? And we have 1, 2, 3 out of the four angles of the four-sided shape. What do you know about four-sided shapes? What is the sum of all of the angles in a four-sided shape? Yes, they have to add up to 360 degrees. So if you know that this angle is 78, this one's 112, this one's 110, can you find B? How would we calculate that? What's the first step? Add up all the angles you know. 78 plus 112 plus 110. What's the sum of the three angles? Choice? 300? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
300? Good. Now, if I add B to that, it has to equal 360, right? So what would I do to figure out the remainder? What's the operation?
You subtract 300 from 360.
We subtract 300 from 360 and we get
60, so it'll be
60 degrees. Okay, that was the easy part. But now, we have a lot of straight lines. So let's look here. We have a straight line here. Everyone looking? And we have a straight line here. What do you know about two angles on a straight line? What do these two angles have to add up to? Yes, they have to add up to 180. So that means 112 plus C has to equal 180. So how would I find C? Raise your hand. 180 minus 112. Good. What do you get? What's 180? Take away 112. 68 degrees. So we can say that this angle here is 68 degrees. Do you have any other straight lines in the diagram? Where? Up here. What's this angle? What's this angle equal to? Did we figure it out already? We figured out that this is 60. So B plus A, those two angles are on a straight line. A plus B has to equal what? 180. Well, we know B is 60. So can we figure out A? If A plus 60 equals 180, how do I figure out what A is equal to, Natalie? Good. Subtract 60 from 180, and what do we get? 120 degrees. So we can say that this angle is 120 degrees. So we found angle A, we found angle B, we found angle C. The only thing left we have to do now is find angle D. And if you look here, we learned this last week. If this is 68 degrees, is this angle opposite to it? So what does it have to be? It has to be 68 degrees. The opposite angles are always equal. Remember, we learned this the other day? Opposite angles are equal.